What if DJI's next mainstream drone combined the compact portability of the Air series with high-end, professional hardware borrowed straight from the flagship Mavic lineup? The tech and aerial photography community is currently buzzing with prototype sightings, regulatory database logs, and insider leaks pointing toward the upcoming DJI Air 4. With development entering its final stages, industry expectations point to a late 2026 or early 2027 release window. Let's break down everything we know from A to Z about what could be DJI's most disruptive drone yet. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Air 4 leaks is the intense debate surrounding its physical build and weight class. The prototype leak. Leaked images from industry insiders revealed a crashed prototype featuring a Mavic-style top deck equipped with extra top-mounted sensors, an LED beacon for night operations, and robust folding arms designed to withstand heavier winds. The sub-250G regulatory leak. On the flip side, flight app registration leaks sparked massive speculation that DJI might engineer a variant targeting the lightweight sub-250G category to ease international travel and regulatory restrictions. Regardless of the final form factor, the overarching goal is clear: maximum aerodynamic stability coupled with backpack-friendly portability. The core of any DJI Air drone is its camera performance, and the Air 4 is rumored to take a monumental leap forward. Sensor improvements. Rumors strongly suggest an upgrade to a powerful dual sensor configuration, with speculation pointing toward dual 1-inch CMOS sensors for both the wide and telephoto lenses. Focal lengths. Leaked references indicate extended telephoto capabilities, potentially offering flexible framing options like 2.5x and 6x optical/hybrid steps to capture distant details with absolute clarity. Low light and dynamic range. Larger physical sensors translate directly to vastly superior night shooting, cleaner shadows, and stunningly rich sunset dynamic range. When it comes to putting pixels on your screen, the Air 4 is expected to build heavily on the success of the Air 3S. High frame rates. Expect top-tier recording profiles, including 4K at high frame rates for buttery smooth slow motion, alongside pro-grade 10-bit D-Log M color profiles for advanced color grading. Transmission technology. Rumors point to the integration of an upgraded O5 video transmission system, or advanced O4 Plus architecture, pushing clean, low-latency HD live feeds up to massive distances, even in heavy urban interference environments. Safety and autonomous tracking are receiving significant engineering focus. LiDAR-assisted sensing. Building on forward LiDAR systems, the Air 4 is expected to feature an expanded omnidirectional sensing array tailored for reliable nighttime obstacle avoidance. Flight time and battery. Power management optimizations are projected to deliver a solid 38 to 40 minutes of flight time per battery, balancing performance against wind resistance and weight constraints. While DJI has maintained strict official silence, tracking historical registration patterns and regulatory database appearances suggests an official commercial launch toward late Q4 2026. If DJI successfully merges professional dual 1-inch sensors, advanced LiDAR safety, and robust frame architecture into the Air ecosystem, while keeping prices competitive, estimated around the mid-tier enthusiast bracket, the DJI Air 4 will instantly dominate the wish lists of creators, travelers, and professional pilots worldwide.